Hi, I'm Carlos Magaldayana Bernardo. I'm 18 years old. I live in Roa Complex, Tabang Del, Bulacan. And my birthday is on May 8, 2007. My hobbies are playing basketball, volleyball, badminton, going to the gym, working out, sometimes reading books and playing games like Mobile Legends, COD, HOK, and sometimes I do play guitars and instruments. My other interest po is right now is to learn and be more better, to be better in solving problems, in math problems, to get better in calculus, and to excel to my course po. I'm working in pursuing Latin honors. So, hindi yun. So, yun lang po, and nice to meet you rin po, sir.
Huwag kang tumingin ng ganyan sa akin. Huwag mo akong kulitin, huwag mo ako